Hello and welcome. I'm Darren and this is the SN95 Owner's Guide. Today we're launching our Series 2 to the guide with all new material for 2021. And we're kicking it off with a giveaway that you won't want to miss. In our channel relaunch video, I mentioned a partnership with Ted Jenkins of Tuning Innovations, and I'd like to expand on that just a bit. Since we originally launched the SN95 Owner's Guide series, we've had the technical reference support and experience of Ted working behind the scenes. Ted is an enthusiast-focused SN95 community supporter, best known for his Ford technical knowledge and his custom fuel hoses. His latest venture offers custom tuning of not just SN95 cars, but all 1987 to present Fords. In fact, it was his idea to put together this giveaway for a set of Tuning Innovations braided fuel hoses. We've mentioned the role that braided lines play in preventing underhood fires in your SN95 5.0 Mustangs before, and Tuning Innovations is the only producer of custom fit hoses which can support up to 600 horsepower and E85. Here at GTC, we have these exact hoses on Fred's 1994 Mustang GT and my own supercharged 1995 Mustang GTS, and they are the very best. I will be super transparent with you. Ted and I want to raise awareness and grow our respective endeavors. Mine, of course, is the GTC channel. He wants to grow his Tuning Innovations business. And as a partnership, we want to grow the SN95 9495 Mustang Owners Group on Facebook. So here's the game. To enter for a set of these Tuning Innovations fuel lines, here's what you do. It's 3 steps. Don't worry if you miss a detail, it will be on the end screen for you and in the description below. I'm not very good at this, and in the description below. While you're here, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and leave a comment with the hashtag Tuning Innovations, all one word. Next, go to the Tuning Innovations Facebook page, give them a like, and comment with the hashtag Tuning Innovations, all one word. And finally, go to the SN95 9495 Mustang Owners Facebook group, join, wait for approval, and comment with the hashtag Tuning Innovations, all one word, in the announcement thread you'll see posted. That's all you need to do. We will draw at the end of the month, and if we pull your entry and confirm that you've posted in each of the 3 places, we'll send you a set of Tuning Innovations braided fuel hoses for your 94-95 Mustang. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the comments.